In this video, we're going to look at a level change using our squat pivot. You're going to start with your feet shoulder width apart, and you're going to start lowering down onto one leg, and then you are going to finish by pivoting on the ball of that foot. As you lower, you must make sure that you go into a crouching position here, which means your heel is going to be off the floor. You want to be pivoting on the ball of your foot. So lower down onto one leg, try and connect your hamstring to your calf, essentially sit on your heel with your heel off the floor, and then you're going to pivot to internally rotate that base leg. The leg that's bent, the leg you're sitting on, is going to internally rotate, and then you are going to externally rotate the opposite leg, as you can see here. You can start to pivot as you come down already, or you can simply go into a crouch and pivot at the bottom if you struggle with this pattern. And then you will simply reverse on the way up. You should use your arms here to create a little bit of the motion and initiate the twisting and pivoting motion. This will work your single leg strength and will work your knee flexion and your ankle and toes flexion as well. The minimum rep recommendation for this pivot is to do 3 sets of 5 pivots on each leg.